Here's the apps called Kora Money College Student app. So just tap get and then double click to install. You'll be able to install it. Kora can spot you up to $3,000, compatible with Apple Pay. Money is a lot when you're in college, and college students deserve a finance app that was designed to make it easier for them. Kora helps you figure out where all of your money is going with automatic expense tracking, lets you set goals for yourself, gets you building a strong credit history, and has you financially killing it by the time you graduate. That's just what the description says. Monitor your credit score, learn how to build credit history responsible, and then you can access up to $3,000 of Kora cash that you can use for whatever you need and pay back over time. But you need to know that, all of these apps, just you need to be quite careful with those. Of course, it sounds fun and you can easily get like $3,000 to your bank account, but usually the interest is quite high, and then you need to pay it really fast. Otherwise, you will pay double or like more, and it's like then it becomes like quite bad. So yeah. But this app, and of course you need just to double check if the app is completely legit. Seems this app is legit, so you can just open it up and then see here how you can just allow it, and then you can just open it up, and then you can just see how it looks like. You can just type get started, then just enter a last name, and then just referral code, or you can just log in with your phone or email, and that's how you get started.